Hi, poets. It's Mrs. Irvin. I am going to walk you through how to submit your PPW because some of you have not been so good with that. So I'm in mine. I'm on my home page. I am going to share with others. I'm going to make sure it is shared with K. Irvin, Kervin. Here we go. Kristen Irvin. Make sure it's shared with me and then click send so I know that I have access to your portfolio, okay? And then you are going to go up here, click publish, make sure you publish it. Now, I had no changes to review, so I don't have anything to look at. So what I'm going to do then, if you have that, you're going to view your published site. This is my published site. I am going to grab my, right here, grab that whole thing, the link, so that I can share it. Then I'm going to go into Schoology. Popped into first period. We are going to, I'm on the wrong page. Hold on. All right. Poetry folder, click. PPW final version, submit PPW here. Click. All right. When you open up your in progress, it will look a little something like this. Insert your link to your website on this slide here. Click the here. Paste in that link. Hit return, and it's a hyperlink. And now you can submit it. Now I've got access to, you've shared it with me, and now you've given me the link, and so now I can go into your poetry portfolio and grade it, okay? Message me if you have any questions after this video if you're still confused, all right? All right, awesome. They've been amazing so far. I'm looking forward to seeing yours.